The demo you're watching is a Arch-based package for NV-Top built by me. And in this amazing video, I'm going to take a deep dive into the building process of Arch-based package from scratch. And if you guys are new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and help me reach 1k subscribers. And don't forget to like my video and press the bell icon. What is up everybody? It is time for another episode of Sam Arcade. Package build file, a shell script used to build package for the Pacman package manager. It contains the information about how to build a package from source code or other files, along with the metadata such as package name, version, dependencies, and build instructions. I divided package build into the three different parts. Number 1 is package metadata, which contains all the necessary information about the package. Number 2, sources and checksums, contains the source file and checksum to verify the package. Number 3, build functions, contains the package preparation and build instructions. Feel free to take a screenshot. Open your favorite browser. Then search Arch package build. Click on the first link. From here you can get every single information related to package build file. Now right click on the example package build file and open it in a new tab. This is one way to get the package build file and you can use it as well. For version control, just search VCS Guidelines Arch Linux. Click on the first link. Version control system is very important to generate the version of a package that you are going to build. From here you can get the version control guidelines for Git, Subversion, and Mercurial, and many more. First we need to install the necessary dependencies so we can start building the package. To install build dependencies, type sudo pacman -S space git space wget Mason, Ninja, CMake, Basedevil, and Namcap. Now change the directory to /user/share/pacman. Now there is proto.install file which provides functions like pre-install, post-install, pre-upgrade, post-upgrade, pre-remove, post-remove. This file is generally used when you need to perform the tasks outside the package build file, like updating or removing a value or systemd-util files. Package build.proto file is our main file. We will look at it later. Package build-vcs.proto file is a template file used in Arch Linux packaging for creating package build files for packages fetched from version control system. The package build-split.proto file is a template file used in Arch Linux packaging for creating packages that need to be split into multiple packages. Now here comes the package metadata section. In this section we have functions like package name for the name of the package, and package ver for the version, and package rel for the release number of the package, and package desc for the description of the package. Arch and URL like functions are self-explanatory. Each function provides a different functionality and some of them might not get utilized in your build, but it is very important to give you the full info about this section. Anyways, moving on to the next section. Our next section is sources and checksums. Inside the sources function, you will have to provide the source of the package that you want to build, and there are multiple ways to provide a source of the package that you want to build. No extract function will not extract archive files that you don't want to get extracted. Checksums function will ensure the integrity of the source files. Valid PGP keys function is used to specify the PGP keys that are considered valid for verifying the authenticity of source files. Last section is our build functions. Prepare function is typically used to prepare the source code for building by applying patches, configuring build options, or performing other setup tasks. Build function is used to compile the source code and perform any other necessary build tasks required to generate the package. Check function is totally optional and it is used to verify the package works or not. Package function will perform the commands to install files into the package directory. Now let's copy the package build.proto to our desktop folder. Now create a folder named nvtop because we are going to build the package for nvtop. Now move the package build file inside the nvtop folder. And now change the directory to nvtop. Open package build with your favorite editor. Now search the name of a package that you want to build. Click on the GitHub nvtop link. Pages like this are your best friend. You can easily get the description of the package as well as the current release version and many more. First, remove top 4 lines. Inside maintainers field, you can give your developer name and your email address. Now inside package name field, type the name of a package. I am going to name it nvtop source. For the package word field, go to the website, check the latest version available, and it is going to be version 3.1.0. Package rel is set to 1. Epoch is very important. And you may ask why. Let me explain. The epoch field is typically used to force the package to be seen as newer than any previous version with a lower epoch. This value is required to be non-negative integer. The default is 0. It is used when the version numbering scheme of a package changes, breaking normal comparison logic due to the lexicographic sorting of version numbers. Currently we don't need epoch, so I am removing it. Now copy the description from the website and paste it into the package desk field. Arch is for what type of architecture your package supports. In my case, it is x86_64. For URL, just copy and paste the GitHub URL. As you can see, nvtop uses GPL3 license. For this build, we don't require group field. Most of the time, you can easily find the dependencies for the package that you want to build. This time it is available, but sometimes you just have to dig a little bit deeper to find the correct dependencies for your package. And for nvtop, we have dependencies like ncurses, and systemd-libs. And for make dependencies, we need systemd, git, cmake, libdrm. For this build, we don't need check depends and optional depends. For the provides and conflicts field, it is going to be the nvtop. We don't need replace, backup, option, install or changelog, so remove them. There are multiple ways to add source of the package. It can be the link of a archive file or it can be the git URL. And now to add source of the package, simply add package name dash package version. Then add double colon git plus URL of the package. Whatever you put inside the no extract field will not get extracted in the building process of the package. And currently we don't need this one, so remove it. For now, just type skip inside the SHA-256 sums field. Currently we aren't going to sign our package, so we don't need valid PGP keys. Do you remember what I told you about prepare function? But currently we don't need it for this package, so remove it and replace it with package word function, so we can give our package a proper package version. To generate a proper version for my package, I am going to use the most recent unannotated tag from the last commit. Simply copy and paste it. And don't forget to add package version. For the build function, you just need to look at the build instructions. And it uses cmake to build the package. Simply copy the line and paste it inside the build function. Cmake is going to compile the package, and you can specify the location where you want your software to get installed. It can be /user/local or /user. By the way, that dot represents the current directory. Now our build function is complete. Moving to the next part. Check function is totally optional. Simply remove it. For now, we don't need to change anything inside the package function, so leave it to default. And that's it. Our package build file is now complete. Simply save it and exit, so we can start building our package. Type make pkg to start building process. And we got an error. Why? Because our version of the package got updated in the middle of the package building process. Reopen the package build file. And look, our package version is totally different. Don't worry. Simply remove all files and folders, just leave package build file. And type make pkg once again to build the package. And we have successfully built our package. As you can see, Our package is now ready to be installed on our system. Simply type pacman-qip, then your package name to see the detail of your package. Change QIP to QLP to see the list of all files owned by a given package. Let me remove the current version of NVTop so we can install our new package. Now type make pkg-si to install the package. And look, our custom package for NVTop is working properly. Pro tip: to generate SHA-256 sum, simply type SHA-256 sum and name of your source archive file, then hit enter. So this is how you build your own package, and you can follow this guide to package your own software for Arch Linux. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you never miss out my latest videos. And if you have any kind of feedback or suggestion, then feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.